In front of me is LENOVO Idea Tab Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on while using and allow in all available pop-ups. Now to start recording, click on this blue button at the bottom. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. To find your recording, click at the top right corner. To play it, click on it. And to delete it, hold it and click on pin icon at the bottom left corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!